Are you looking to install a new HVAC system or replace your existing one? Listen up. We know that dealing with contractors can be daunting. Here at SumZero, we've done all the work so that you don't have to. First, you can either text or give us a call, and one of our friendly representatives will assist you in booking a free in-home consultation. During this visit, our comfort consultants will inspect and measure the home while also looking to address all your comfort concerns. From there, we'll present you with several options addressing all of your needs and wants. Once you've made a decision, your job is done and we get to work. First, our team will pull all the necessary permits for your project. We also handle all Mass Save rebates and 0% financing. Before installation, we do one final walkthrough to ensure that we deliver on what we've promised. And finally, the day of installation. Our in-house team will complete the job in an efficient and timely manner, leaving your home better than we found it. So, whether you're ready to install or you still have some questions, give SumZero a call today.